Look at this dazzling paper peacock. Its tail is made by folding paper like a fan and cutting feather shapes. Add shiny colors to make it sparkle. You can try this at home with just scissors and colored paper. Let's make art that spreads its wings. This cheerful parrot is full of bright feathers. Cut strips of paper and layer them to make a rainbow wing. Fold a paper beak and boom, your parrot is ready to perch. Kirigami lets you turn paper into colorful flying friends. Ho ho! This wise owl is made with circle folds for the eyes and layers for feathers. You can use brown and white paper to build it up step by step. Isn't it fun how paper can become a real-looking bird? Let's craft our own forest friend. This tiny hummingbird is flying with folded wings. Start with small paper triangles and cut gently to shape the feathers. Use shiny colors to make it sparkle like magic. Kirigami is like turning paper into flying jewels. Meet this pretty pink flamingo. Fold long paper strips for the neck and curl some for feathers. Add one paper leg to make it stand tall. You can create this bird with just simple shapes. Kirigami makes it super fun. This sweet little sparrow sits in a nest made of twisted paper. Fold a small round body, cut tiny wings, and place it in your handmade nest. With Kirigami, you can build your own cozy paper bird family. Slide into fun with this cool penguin. Fold white and black paper into a chubby shape and add orange feet. You can make snow too using folded white paper. Kirigami turns simple paper into chilly, charming creatures. Look at that colorful beak. The token is made by folding black paper for the body and adding a big beak with rainbow layers. Cut leaves from green paper to set the jungle scene. Kirigami helps your birds pop with personality. Let's soar with this mighty eagle. Cut large wings and fold them for a flying effect. Use brown and white paper to shape the head and feathers. Kirigami helps you make birds that look strong and free. This peaceful dove carries an olive branch. Fold the wings softly and use white paper for its body. Add a small green paper leaf for peace. Kirigami helps us create beautiful messages with just paper and love. Great job, little artists! Which Kirigami bird was your favorite? If you loved making paper birds, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and join us for more crafty fun every week.